All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot as far as patching this spot right here. Like I said, it's about probably 2 inches this way, maybe 3/4 that way. So basically what you wanna do first is clean it off. So I've got a wet rag here. I'm gonna wipe it down, get it really clean. I've got my backing material that comes with the kit. It's this middle one. This is like a practice piece. Then you got your backing material, and then you've got your different textures. So you can, once you get it, you basically put this down on top, heat it up, and it gives your texture. So this will be the one that I use here in a second. So we'll give this a shot. I'm gonna actually use some just painter's tape, some cheap Scotch tape on the backside. Get my backing material and my vinyl adhesive all on that. Put that in the backside, and then I'm actually, you don't have to use heat, but I'm going to use my heat gun basically to just speed up the process. That way I can get this done a little quicker. So I'll cut back here in a second when I'm getting ready to put in the adhesive. All right, guys, I've already got this done. It's drying. I mean, you can see where I patched it, but trying to get the texture right. Again, this is my first time to ever do it, and I probably was being a little, trying to hurry. But really trying to get the texture to come out right was probably the hardest part. With these little texture, oops, I'm trying to get these out here. These little deals, pressing them down onto it. I don't know if you're supposed to let it dry a little more before you do it. I'm gonna go read the directions a little more, but anyway, it's not that bad. It's better than it having a rip and possibly ripping through. So on the underside, like I said, I put Scotch tape. I cut a piece of the backing material here and actually stuck it on the Scotch tape, and then put the adhesive on the material. Like, cut it on really good. Stuck it up underneath the patch, and then pushed the adhesive into the actual crack here, or rip. Got it into it, and then hit that with the heat gun, got it to where it wasn't too tacky. It was basically dry. And then I started with the black vinyl cover. So we'll see what it looks like when it dries up a little more. Like I said, it's not perfect, but like I said, it's better than a hole that, you know, the wind could catch and maybe make bigger. So we'll see. I may try using these things on it here in just a little bit, let it dry a little longer out here, and see what it does. So again, I'll have a video when I'm completely, or kind of the final dry product, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, guys, it's been a couple weeks since I patched this. Really wanted to see how it was going to hold up. It's actually held up really well. It doesn't look too bad. It's a little dirty out here right now. I think it'd look a lot better if somebody took their time. I got in a little bit of a hurry, and when I did this, but it doesn't leak, and it, you know, it's better than a rip, and it's not, it won't rip anymore, I guess. So again, it's not perfect by any means, but you know, standing back, I mean, yeah, you can see it's a little glossier than the rest of the cover, but it does work. Again, it's been a couple weeks since I put it on there. Put some miles already on the truck, and it's been raining quite a bit, so it's held up pretty decent. So that's the biggest thing. And like I said, I didn't want to rip it anymore, or you know, catch it. I mean, you guys can see the wind blowing on the cover there. I can just imagine wind catching under that and it ripping out some more. So it's held up great. Really just kind of wanted to have a little time with the patch and just see how it's going to hold up. So, and so far this stuff does work. So I'll have a link to what I actually used in the description. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.